the 2020 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, power front seats, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.